Well, hey guys, it's Mark. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to unbox the Ridge 10th anniversary limited edition wallet that came out, I believe it was on Black Friday, and it was on sale for, I think it was $76 for a bundle pack, which is quite a good deal. As you can see, it says Ridge the 10th anniversary limited edition. And if you flip it around the back, again it says the Ridge, and on the bottom 10th anniversary edition bundle, which means basically you're going to get not only the wallet itself, but it comes with a cash strap and a catch clip. So let's take it open and take a look at it. Now guys, you open up, one of the first things you'll see is the great little sticker that you have, the Ridge, established in 2013. Take this apart there, and you get this booklet, the Ridge 10th anniversary limited edition. And guys, I know you're dying to see this, and let's go ahead and do it. This is the Ridge wallet itself. Now, the first thing you're going to notice here that you probably haven't seen before is a green strap. Yes, folks, this thing has a green strap. And of course, this, as you know, is the cash clip. The wallet itself is this absolutely spectacular flat black, and it looks really, really good. Got these gorgeous silver screws on it. You'll see the Ridge in the corner there. There's a good, cool look at it. You do see the Ridge there. You've got these beautiful silver screws. And, you know, one thing that looks great about the Ridge wallet are the screws. They're not only functional, but as you can see, they've kind of got this beveled surface. So it really makes them shimmer. As I pull out and pull away from it, you can see the screws stand out like a sore thumb. They are really, really neat. Now, it has this flat black finish, and the lighting you're seeing is from the camera. The wallet itself is extremely black. In fact, if I lay it down, it looks a little bit better. You see it like that. It is truly just black, black, black. And it's got these green straps that make it really unique. You flip it around, and you have the cash strap. And, of course, you got the Ridge logo on the back of the faceplate itself. The silver screws. Guys, this is a unique and cool wallet. The interior plates, and this is all aluminum, are black as well. So it's black, green, and silver. And, you know, what I'm thinking about I may do is put black screws on it to replace the silver. I think it would look better. It's just kind of an odd-looking thing, but it is a limited edition, so I kind of want to keep it in the condition that it is in. So I may just leave it exactly as it is. Now, it does come with this booklet. It says the Ridge 10th Anniversary Limited Edition. And on the inside, it shows one of the founders of the Ridge Company. I think that's the younger one of them, and I guess that's them out trying to sell their wallets in the early days. It says 10th Anniversary. The original Kickstarter wallet has been known as the Tank at Ridge headquarters, and for good reason. The steel rivets in the original outer plating make these things bolt tight, the money clip, so forth and so on. They've made a lot of changes to it. I think it shows here the original design of the wallet back in the day and the new one that you have here. And on the back, it has a picture of father and son and talks about the Ridge wallet proudly celebrates our 10th anniversary. This is a throwback to our very first wallet that started with the Kickstarter fashion and an idea. And, you know, as you know, Ridge started in 2013. It's been a completely, I guess you could say, a very successful wallet. It was the first of the sandwich-style wallets. There are literally dozens of wallets just like it, with everybody trying to improve upon the design. But guys, this is it. This is the real thing. As I mentioned, it is aluminum. Has this green strap. Now guys, the inner plates, they are aluminum, and they are black, as is the outside of it. Smooth as a baby's ass, just as you expect. This is not a Ridge 2.0. It doesn't have the ridges on the top here. Again, this is a throwback wallet, and maybe that's why. I don't know. But, you know, like I say, this came out just literally just a couple of weeks ago. It is currently unavailable. It was a sellout. And I believe I got an email telling me about it, and it sold out in a day. So it's very, very popular. Anyhow, if you managed to get your hands on the wallet, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. See you next time.